Sendspark makes it easy to send AI personalized videos at scale in your Gong Engage emails. So you're basically creating one video with a placeholder for first name. And then in bulk, you can create personalized videos that each say, like, hi, first name for each one of your leads. And when you send it out in a Gong Engage flow, every person's going to get the video with their own name, like this one.
Hi, Ben. I just generated this video using.
So I just created one video and then I added Ben and then the Sendspark background automatically. The way this works, I'm going to walk through how you'll set this up. It's honestly a very easy setup and very easy to use. And the way it looks when you're actually going to be creating this in Gong is the same way that it is to create any of your emails. So the same way you can be like, hey, first name, looks like your email is email. Here's a video for you. You can add a placeholder for the Sendspark video embed snippet, and then you can use that to be able to send the videos at scale. So this is how you'll set up the templates in Gong. And then your question might be like, well, how do I get this placeholder? And what you can do is you'll create a dynamic video campaign in Sendspark. And so this is where you're going to record that original video. You can choose if it's going to have a dynamic background or not. So it could either be you in full screen, or you could show yourself over a website. You also have some like animation options if you want to have your camera bubble move around or in a certain place. So you can set this up. You can also customize landing pages, add calls to action, embed your calendar, create all of this here. And then you can add your contacts. For this, assume you're just going to import a CSV or type some contacts in. You can also set up automation. So if you wanted to do something like every time someone books a demo, automatically create a video and send it in Gong, you could do something like that. But you can also just import a CSV. And then, so this is how you have things set up. And here are some sample videos that I've created. Keep this in mind. And then what you'll do just one time setting this up in Sendspark, you'll create an automated workflow. You'll create an automatic workflow, you've seen me testing before, where you basically have this set up. So whenever a Sendspark video gets generated, in your CRM, I have HubSpot here, but we also integrate with Salesforce. What else? Zoho is here. High level, we integrate with a bunch of different CRMs. So look for your CRM, and the same workflow will work on any of them. So you're basically going to say, whenever a video gets generated, find the contact in the CRM, and then just save properties into that contact field. So here you can see I'm saving that video link. Let me find it. It was like Spark Video. So Spark Video 1, I'm saving is this email embed HTML. This is what's generated with a video. So it's basically a little embed snippet. So going over this again, what's happening is we're saying, hey, whenever a Sendspark video gets generated, like we're creating those AI videos for people, find that contact in the CRM and save this property for the email embed snippet. And then that's going to sync with Gong. And so then in Gong, when you're creating your template, you can just use that little placeholder you've created, and you can call it anything you want. I have it one, so that way, if we're to create different videos for different things, we could say like Spark Video 1, Spark Video 2, Spark Video 3, or you could be like welcome video, outbound video, demo confirmation video. So you can like create those like placeholders, right? And so then you'll just use it in your email. And then whenever contacts get out of the sequence or use that template, then it's just going to fill in and you'll see this nice video for them, and you can just click and preview to make sure it's the right one. So it's a little bit complicated to set it up, right? Because you've got to set up the variables and just make sure that you have that right email embed snippet from Sendspark going in your CRM, and then you're using that in Gong. But once you have it up, it's no more recording. You're just going to be able to absolutely scale your videos and get awesome results with a lot less work. So I hope you enjoy. All right, cheers.